Hi students, today we are going to discuss apparent weight of a body in moving elevator. What is meant by apparent weight? Generally, what is weight? You look at here, what is meant by weight and mass? So mass means you take this object, how many kg it is having. For example, this is 1 kg. Here mass is 1 kg. Now, what about weight? Weight equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity value, G value you can consider as 9.8 meter per second square generally. Some cases for simplification, easy purpose, we are taking 10 meter per second square. Now, weight of the body is W equals to mass 1 kilo into 9.8, which is equals to here 9.8 Newton. This is measured in kilogram, mass is measured in kilogram, but weight is measured in Newton. Now, this is the mainly difference between the weight and mass. So, apparent weight, what is meant by apparent weight? Apparent weight means when you observe the weight in elevator, the reading will show maybe increase or decrease. That is called as apparent weight. You look at here, this is weighing machine. You take weighing machine. This is weighing machine. On weighing machine, one man is there here. One man is there. So, mass of the man you assume as generally 60 kg, mass of the man. Now, weighing machine, if you stand, how much it will show the weight? If man having 60 kg, what is the weight of the man? Weight of the man is W equals to mg. Here, mass is m mass. The weight act downward direction. Weight act downward direction. W equals to mg due to gravitational force. So it is equals to action force. This is on the surface. On the surface. On the surface. Action force. At the same time, for every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. According to Newton's third law, reaction force act on the man upward direction, that is M. Now, N equals to here, this man is at rest on the weighing machine. Man is at rest on the weighing machine. Weighing machine also at rest. Every whole system, man and weighing machine and the surface all are at rest. That's why in this case, upward force equals to downward force, we can write N equals to mg. When the two forces are equal, then we can say that is at rest or in equilibrium. You look at here, this is small object which is having small m mass. We are applying F1 force this direction and F2 force this direction we are applying. M mass is not moving either F1 direction or F2 direction. Then we can say that the mass is at rest. In this case, what we can write F1 equals to F2 we can write. In the same manner, here N equals to mg. So what about the weight of the man? Here N equals to W. Then this is called apparent weight. So here N equals to mg. What is the apparent weight here? Apparent weight means when you observe for your appearing weight in the weighing machine. So N equals to mg, m value is 60 kg. You take G value 10 meter per second square. For simplification easy purpose we are taking. So this is 600 Newton. So apparent weight means appearing weight for us in the weighing machine, 600 Newton, when he is at rest. Now, the same man moving in elevator. Elevator means, what is meant by elevator? Elevator is nothing but lift. We can observe in the shopping malls and big You can observe in big buildings or shopping malls. Lift. The same man is moving. Same man is moving in the elevator. Then wait how it will change. You observe here. First case. We mainly can observe the three cases. Case one. In the case one, what we can observe? Elevator is at rest. Elevator is at rest. Elevator is at rest or in uniform motion or in uniform motion. What does it mean, uniform motion and rest? Rest means net force is zero. Rest, it means net force is zero. Here uniform motion means here also net force is zero, then it will move with the same velocity. For example, you look at here, one car is moving with the velocity of 40 km per hour. Car is moving with the velocity of 40 km per hour. If you do not apply any force on this car, it will move with the 40 km per hour. This means it is having constant velocity. Constant velocity is nothing but uniform velocity. Uniform velocity or uniform motion. Uniform motion. So in these two cases, net force is zero. Elevator is at rest. You take first case, elevator is at rest. Then what is the apparent weight of man? Apparent weight means in the weighing machine for us appearing weight, how much it will show. The reading of balance, how much weight of the person it will show in the weighing machine. That is called as apparent weight. Now let us consider this is lift. This is lift. In the lift, we are taking weighing machine. This is the weighing machine. In the weighing machine, how much reading it will show. The man is here inside. Inside, it is at rest. It is at rest means what does it mean? Acceleration is zero. Acceleration is zero. So you can take acceleration of this lift. This is lift. Lift is not moving either upward or downward. So what is the reading of man? Weight of man. Weight of man is equals to W equals to mg. And at the same time, man applying force downward direction, which is equal to weight. At the same time, this weighing machine also applies the normal force upward direction, N. Because for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. That is N equals to mg. Here in this case, no acceleration. That's why upward force equals to downward force, W equals to mg. Mg equals to N here. And here. Now in this case, G value, we know that how much G value, 10 meter per second square, we know that. We are considering for simplification easy purpose, or you need to take it as 9.8 meter per second square. Here M value is, initially we assumed man mass is 60 kg. So what is the weight of the man when elevator is at rest? Elevator is at rest. Apparent weight, you can take this is apparent appearing weight for us when you observe the weighing machine. That is the apparent weight. So this you can take 60 into 10. 60 into 10, 600 Newton. So lift is, when lift is moving, there is no, lift is at rest. When lift is at rest, there is no change in weight of the man. There is no change in the weight of the man because 600 Newton previously on the surface when you observe, there also we are getting 600 Newton. Here 600 Newton. In case 2, case 3, you observe here, if elevator is moving upward with the acceleration A, then how it will change the weight of the man. You observe the second case, we are taking case 2. You take case 2. In the case 2, elevator is moving. Elevator means lift. You can consider lift is moving. Lift is moving with an acceleration, A. You can consider an acceleration A equals to 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second square upwards. Elevator is moving upwards, you assume, with the acceleration of 2 meters per second square. In this case, what is the apparent weight of a man? The question is, what is the apparent weight? Apparent means appearing weight in the weighing machine. So in this case, how to calculate? You look at here, this is elevator or lift, you can consider. This is lift, but lift is accelerating upward direction. A equals to 2 meters per second square. So mass of the man is how many kg? 60 kg. And gravity is, we are considering 10 meters per second square. Now you take, this is weighing machine. This is weighing machine and he is a man on the weighing machine. Now weight act downward direction, W equals to mg, and here normal reaction act upward direction. Now use the Newton's second law. What is the Newton's second law? Newton's second law, what it says? F equals to ma. F equals to ma. F means you can take it as F net force. On this man, what are the forces acting? Here N is acting, mg is acting. So it is accelerating upward, it means N is greater than, N is greater. For example, you understand this. This is M mass is there. Here F1 force is acting, F2 force is acting. If it is moving this direction block, that in this case, what we can say that F2 is greater than F1. In the same manner, lift is moving upward means here N is greater than mg. So N is greater than mg. We can write net force formula N minus mg, which is equals to mass of the man and acceleration. So we want to calculate N. N means nothing but here apparent weight N equals to mg. Here N equals to, we can write ma minus, when it comes this side, this will be mg. Mg we can write. Then you observe here, take the m common. N equals to m into a plus g. So this is W, here apparent weight. N is reaction, force. It gives apparent weight. It gives apparent weight. So here, this is when lift is moving upward direction formula, apparent weight. So how to understand this one? You take here, already we know that apparent weight formula N equals to M into A plus G. So apparent weight, appearing weight for the observer in the weighing machine. So what is the formula? M. M into A plus G. So we can write M value. What is the M value? 60 kg. So 60 kg plus acceleration how much? 2. And gravity how much? 10. So what we can write? 60 into, this is 12. (720 Newton). 720 Newton. You observe here, this is apparent weight, appearing weight. In this case, lift is moving upward direction means how much this is? 720. When lift is at rest, you can observe 600 Newton. So 600 Newton. 720 is more. When lift is moving upward direction, weight of the man increases. So appearing weight in the weighing machine increases. When lift moving upwards, weight increases. That's why we feel it as when you're moving in the elevator upward direction, we may feel it as somewhat more weight. You can observe that is in shopping malls mainly because available lift at shopping malls and big buildings. Next, observe here, third case. What is the third case? Same lift is moving downward. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration. with an acceleration A, same acceleration you take 2 meter per second square downward. Acceleration downward, A equals to 2 meter per second square. Lift is moving downward with an acceleration 2 meter per second square. In this case, what is the apparent weight? Apparent weight. Apparent weight means appearing weight in the weighing machine. Nothing but normal reaction. Here you look at the same, this is the elevator. You can take, this is elevator and this is weighing machine. This is weighing machine. On this, man is there. You can observe man. Now, elevator is moving downward direction with an acceleration of 2 meter per second square. So acceleration due to gravity, how much? 10 meter per second square. For simplification purpose, calculation, easy simplification purpose we are taking. Otherwise, we need to take 9.8 meter per second square. Now, mass of the man initially what we consider 60 kg. Now here weight of the man act downward direction. Weight of the man act downward direction, that equals to mg. This is action force. At the reaction force, this surface, contact surface, acts the normal reaction upward direction. Now it is accelerating downward. It means in this case, mg is greater than n. So that's why Newton's second law statement, what we can write? F equals to ma, we can write. F net equals to ma. F net force means downward force is greater. That's why mg minus n. And the net force, if you want net force, you look at here, this is small object which is having ms. Here F1 force is acting. Now this side F2 force is acting. Now object is moving this direction, moving with direction with the acceleration A. So net force formula, F net, how to apply? F net equals to ma. So greater force, F2 force minus F1 force, which is equals to ma, like this. In the same manner, here mg is greater than n. Mg minus n equals to m into a. Now you take the n value alone. N value when move n that side and mg plus ma. Ma move this side. So minus ma. Minus ma. You can take a minus ma here. You can take minus ma. When it moves this side, minus ma. So from this, what we can take common? M you take common. This is G minus A. So this normal reaction which is equal to apparent weight. Normal reaction which is equal to apparent weight. Apparent normal reaction shows apparent weight of a man. Apparent weight of a man means appearing weight of a man in the weighing machine. That is the meaning. So it is equal to n equals to m into G minus A. You look at here, apparent weight, when lift is moving downward, how much? So apparent weight equals to, here m into G minus A. Substitute the values, m is 60 kg, G is how much? 10 minus 2. So what we can write? 60 into 8. Here 480 Newton will come. 480 Newton. So apparent weight you look at here, this is 480. When it is moving downward, apparent weight. Apparent weight. When it is moving upward, what is apparent weight? You look at here, apparent weight, when it is moving upward 720. You look here, 720, 720. You look here, moving upward. When it is moving upward, 720, 720, 720 Newton. When it is moving upward, what is the apparent weight at rest in the elevator? Elevator is 600 Newton. When it is at rest, when it is at rest, you look at here rest. Rest case you can observe here. This is. You can observe here. This is 600 Newton. 600 Newton. So this is 600 Newton. You look at here, apparent weight, which is equals to 600 Newton. 600 Newton. So finally, what we can say that lift is at rest means weight will not change. When lift is at rest, lift is at rest, weight of the man, weight of the man is same. Weight of the man or any object is same. But when moving upward, weight increases. When moving upward, lift is moving upward, weight increases. Weight increases. When moving lift downward, weight of the man or weight of the object decreases. Weight of the object decreases. This is apparent weight. Apparent weight means appearing weight in weighing machine. Here you look at here, what is meant by apparent weight? What is meant by apparent means appearing weight for us when you observe. Appearing weight in weighing machine. Appearing weight in weighing machine. Weighing machine. Apparent weight. So in these three cases, weight is at weight of the object or man is same in rest case. When it is moving upward cases, you may feel it as weight increases. When lift is moving downward means weight decreases. These are the three cases. Mainly these three cases, based on that, we can derive some other cases also. This is about weighing machine. Thank you.